Hi, first grade. I am ready to do some math today, and I am going to use my 120 chart to help me. You can print one out if you're able to, or maybe you can draw your own and make one at home. Before we get started, I'm going to do some warm-ups for my brain. I'm going to pick a number that I want to talk about today, and the number we're going to talk about is 24. 24 is right here on the 120 chart. It's in all the 20s and all the 4s. 24. So we're going to use our 120 chart to help us talk about the number 24. So I put it in the middle here, and then I drew it a couple of different ways. I drew some 10s and 1s blocks. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I also drew some tally marks. Remember, when you slash across a tally mark, that means there's 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Down here, I wrote the word 24, and here I drew 10 frames. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now, I have 24 in the middle, and I want to find out, what is 10 more plus 10? 10 bigger than 24. What is 10 less? 10 smaller. What is 1 more? What is 1 less? Let's take a look at our 120 chart. If I find the number 24, and I want to know what number is 1 bigger, can you tell me what number is 1 bigger, 1 more than 24? You're right, 25. So now on my chart here, oh my goodness, I'm going to write 24, and 1 more would be 25. What would be 1 less, 1 smaller than 24? Let's take a look. Can you find 24 again? There it is. 1 bigger was 25. What's 1 smaller? Yeah, 23 is 1 smaller, 1 less than 24, minus 1. So I'm going to go to 24, and 1 less is 23. What is 10 more than 24? On a 120 chart, 10 more we go down. So let's find. 24 is right here. What is 10 more than 24? 10 bigger. When I count by tens, they go down like this. 10, 20, 30, 40. It gets bigger by 10 each time. What's 10 bigger than 24? 34. Very good. Okay, so plus 10, 10 more is 34. Do you know what 10 less than 24 would be? Can you find 24? What's 10 less? 14 is 10 smaller, 10 less than 24. And we could count it backwards like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 smaller is 14. So I'm going to put that right here. Okay. One of my choices on Seesaw that I'm going to send you guys today is going to be a chart. Oh my gosh. Kind of like this that you guys can fill out for a different number that I'm going to give you. Now let's do some skip counting. I'm going to use my 120 chart to help me. First, let's see. Can you skip count by tens? Will you count along with me? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. We can keep going even after 100. We can keep adding more. Can you skip count by fives? When you skip count by 5, it means you count every fifth number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll tell you a secret. If you skip count by fives, you're going to do all the numbers that have a 5 in the ones place and all the numbers that have a 0 in the ones place. Just like when we skip counted by tens, all these numbers had zeros in the ones place. And when we skip count by fives, we have the fives and the zeros because 5 plus 5 more is 10. Let's see how many you can count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Are you counting with me? Let's see. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Can we keep going? 105, 110, 115, 120. Were you able to skip count with me? I have one more way I want to skip count. Let's skip count by twos. That means all the numbers in the white we're going to say because those are all the even numbers. Every two numbers, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's kind of like you're hopping over the odd numbers. Ready? Let's see. Let's see, can we go from 2 all the way to 50? 2, 4, 6. Are you saying them with me? 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Are you noticing any patterns yet? 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Should we go a little more? 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. I wonder how high you could practice counting by twos on your own at home. Okay, first grade, we're going to do one more thing for math. I have a secret number. So if you have a 120 chart, you can play along at home with me. Or you can just watch and see if I'm correct. So first, I'm going to tell you. My secret number does not have any twos in it. It does not have any twos. So I'm going to find the twos. These all have a 2 in the ones place. And cross them out because none of those can be my secret number. Does not have any twos. What else could not be my secret number? Should I cross out any other rows? Yeah, all of the 20s, 21, 22, 23, those have 2s in the tens place. If my secret number has no 2s, it can't be any of those numbers. And 20 also has a 2. Okay, my secret number is smaller. It is less than 50. So all the numbers that are bigger than 50, here's 50 and these ones are more, cannot be my secret number because my secret number is less than 50. It's smaller. And if it's less than 50, it can't be 50 because then it would be equal to 50. Oh my goodness. Did you cross out that many also? Okay. My secret number does. Yes, it has a 1 in it. It has a 1. So that means all these numbers that do not have a 1 cannot be my secret number. What are the choices that we have left? It could be 1, 10, it could be 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It could be 31. It could be 41. Do you have a guess? Okay, let's see if you're right. My secret number does not have any zeros in it. There are no zeros. So what number can it not be? Correct, it cannot be 10. My secret number is a 2-digit number. So what number can it not be? It can't be 1 because 1 just has 1. See how all these numbers have 2 digits, like 2 numbers inside the number? My secret number is bigger than 14. It's bigger than 14, so it can't be 13 and it can't be 14. My secret number, and if it's, just kidding, it can't be 11. My secret number is smaller than 18. It's smaller. So 18 and anything bigger than it cannot be my secret number. Do you have a guess? Okay. Last clue. My secret number is an even number. When I skip count by 2s, I say my secret number. Do you remember when we skip counted by 2s? Which numbers did we say? Were they the white ones or the blue ones? Do you know what my secret number is? Are you ready? My secret number was 16. Were you correct? 16 was my secret number. I'm going to send you a secret number on Seesaw. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not, so I'm sorry if it does not, but we'll try to see if we can do it. And if it doesn't work, that's okay. We can try again another time. Thanks for doing some math with me today, first grade. Bye.